Hi, I'm Ryan Murphy. I'm a DBT Therapist at Freedom Institute. Dialectical behavioral therapy is at the core of all clinical services at Freedom Institute. Today, I'm going to be walking us through a paired muscle relaxation exercise. Paired muscle relaxation is part of the TIPP skills in distress tolerance. When we feel intense emotion, our body can tense up, and this exercise can help the body feel a little bit more relaxed. So with this exercise, what we will do is that we will be squeezing a particular muscle group and holding our breath for 7 seconds. After those 7 seconds are up, we will exhale and release that muscle group. Today, I'll be focusing on the shoulder blades. Shortly, we will squeeze the shoulder blades up to our ears, holding as tight as we can and holding our breath for 7 seconds. Are we ready to begin? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release those shoulder blades and exhale. We'll do this one more time. Lift up, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale and release. And you can continue to practice using multiple muscle groups throughout your body, and you can check out more TIPP skills on our Freedom Institute blog. Have a great day.